Boom! Right in. Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at all this.
Look at that look on his face.
I think he got some presents around
He
here.
does somewhere. That was
Another
a
right here.
Joseph.
These are all his right here. Look, this one's yours.
See, we'll get them on the. We'll clear out and get them on the floor, and you can open them up. What? Oh my goodness. Even after watching Joseph, we can't go back now.
Wow, that took me a while. I was like, oh, is it a joke?
Why'd she give me a frame?
You should have seen Jerry and Jenny open theirs.